Let's see what we are going to do now. We are first going to investigate the default monitoring of Amazon S3 instances, create an Amazon CloudWatch dashboard and add a widget, create CloudWatch alarm for CPU utilization, create a CloudWatch action to send an email notification by using Amazon SNS. So this is how it's going to look like. And then what we are going to do ourselves is this part: add a CloudWatch dashboard for memory utilization, create a CloudWatch alarm for memory utilization over 50 million, add an EC2 action to reboot the server if the alarm is invoked. So let's get started. First, we are going to go to EC2. If you are facing the same problem I'm facing, I didn't see the instances first in the instances tab, but I changed the region and came back, and the status is now passed, so this is okay. I'm going to select the first server and go to monitoring. Let's wait for it to refresh a little bit. Okay, now it started running. We can do the same checks for the next two as well. Monitoring.
Okay. And the third one.
Server 3 is also okay. Now I downloaded the lab files. I'm just going to open them in here in my notepad. Let me see, downloads, just here. So this is the code I'm going to use. Let's go to CloudWatch now. CloudWatch agent is already installed. We are just going to change the code. Go to metrics, all metrics. If you don't see that, you need to write it here, power plant metrics. I'm seeing that, and now we are going to search for CPU. Select instance type, this one, CPU. Now we are going to write, let me see, CPU usage idle. Click enter. We are going to select these three servers, and on the top actions, add to dashboard, create new dashboard name. Let me take that, power plant dashboard. Clear the space. Widget type will be bar. Customize widget title. Servers CPU usage. Okay, this is showing here. So I can see here, as I wasn't seeing that, I changed the screen, but this is not showing, so I will click on create here. So the name is here, bar and everything, and now I can add that to my dashboard. We can resize from here to see as we like. The server 2, we need to take a note that the server 2 is the highest, and then server 3, we don't see any usage for server 1. We can now save. Okay. Now we can create an alarm. Go to alarms, all alarms, create alarm, select metric, CPU, usage idle. Oops, sorry, what did I select? CPU usage idle. Let me clear this one. Okay. Select image ID, instance type, CPU, this one. Let's select the second one. We are going to select that. This was the highest one. And static greater than 80. And next, in alarm, create new topic, higher CPU usage, and we need to write our email address. This will be high CPU usage. Now we are going to click on create topic and check our email address, and then we are going to scroll down. Okay, this is the email I received, and I'm going to click on confirm subscription. Go to next, high CPU usage, description. This one is showing only lines. System is showing high CPU usage. Alert, and click next. Now we go down. This one is okay. Create alarm. Insufficient data. Let's refresh. Why does it show insufficient data? Maybe we need to wait a little bit so it produces more data, I guess. That's my understanding. So now this is the DIY section. Add a CloudWatch dashboard for memory utilization, and then create a CloudWatch alarm for memory utilization. Add the EC2 action to reboot the server if the alarm is invoked. We will verify that you have added an EC2 action to reboot an instance with high memory utilization. Okay, I'm going to review the file that we use. This is the name power plant metrics agent that we used. This is a CPU, and there should be something for memory, I guess, in here. Mem swap, mem used. So this is the one that we are going to look for. Mem used, memory used, CloudWatch dashboard for memory used. And we are going to do the same steps this time for memory, and then create CloudWatch alarm and add EC2 instance. Okay, let's do that. Okay, after some time, when we wait at the same time, it's showing now in alarm, so it has insufficient data now. And now let's go to metrics. It was on the browse. We have 3 servers. Do we need to create dashboard? Let me check DIY section. Add a cloud dashboard. Okay, so we need to create another dashboard. Add a dashboard. So this is going to be called mem used. Create new. This will be bar chart, and widget title will be mem used. Create new. Probably needed to bar memory used. Okay. Before, let's create, and then we can add to dashboard. we added the dashboard. Now we need to create alarm. In the alarms, all alarms, create a new one, select metric, should be mem used. We need to select this one first and then let's search for memory used. These are showing instance type. Let me try again. Matrix with no dimension, image ID, device. Can we understand from here? Memory used is under measurement, matrix. Let me see that now. Instance type, image ID, instance type, matrix with no dimensions. Is it in here? Memory, mem used. Is it this one? Let me see the other ones. Okay, I'm going to select the instance. It's not, why is it? Is it not finding? There are two in here, matrix with no dimensions, image ID. Oh, here, metric name. Can we select that one? Let's select this one. I'm going to select memory used for 3 of them. Here. Select single metric. So which one are we going to select? Again, it was 2, the biggest one, I guess. Select metric. Metric name, instance type, instance ID. It's asking for instance name, but I'm just going to take a note of that. This will be 500 million. Let me check. 500 million. 3, 1, 2, 3. And additional configuration, not here. Let's create a new topic. Memory used. It's going to email to me. Create topic. Add EC2 action in alarm. Reboot the instance. What was it saying? Add an EC2 action to reboot the server if the alarm is invoked. Reboot the instance in alarm. Okay, next. Alarm name. Memory used. Next. Matrix instance ID is still here. I remember taking that. And let's try to create the alarm and see if it's going to work. Okay, we may need to wait for a while until it shows in alarm, otherwise it may not validate. But let's try. It's asking for instance ID. I just copied. Okay, didn't wait, and it's finished. Yay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.